Some people are nervous about using a green screen. I was too, but it's worth trying out because it can really enhance your video, making it more engaging and more interesting. Quite simply, a green screen is a technique that allows you to remove your background with a video editing package and substitute either a static image, an animated static image, or a video behind the subject. All you need is a green background like this one. In my case, it's a piece of board painted green, but you can buy a green screen fabric or pop-up screens. You only need it large enough to go all the way around you, including any hand movements, because you can crop the image in the editor. Now I'm going to drop this bit of video into my editor. I'm using Camtasia. Other packages are available. Just drag your video onto the timeline and now crop the image. Use the remove a colour option to remove the green. As you can see, you can select any colour to remove, so you could have a red screen or a blue screen. Green is commonly used because it doesn't interfere with skin tones. You just have to remember not to wear green or have green props if you're using a green screen. You can adjust the tolerance of the green, and this is to minimise the telltale green glow that you sometimes see, even on prime-time television news. Then I drop my background behind me, and that's it. One other tip, if your background is busy and can be visually distracting, you can blur the background in your editor. You can also overlay logos and graphics created in PowerPoint slides in the same way. Create the screen with a green background and remove the colour with the same tool. Now you can get creative. What are you going to try? Don't worry about them, they only eat small children.